Yo guys, the most insane thing happened to me in Ghana. You're about to find out in this video how I moved from living in this to living in this. It was live suit. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you see how the inside of this apartment looked like. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to day 5, guys. Woo! We have one more day after today to spend in Ghana. God, I don't want to go back home. I really don't want to go back home. But, you know, we have to. We really have to. I need her to open up this gate. So, guys, let's go. What activities do we have for today? You all know I'm a waterfall lover, and there's no way I'll visit somewhere without visiting a waterfall. So I'm headed towards Oboadaka. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but yes, Oboadaka waterfalls. That's where I'm headed towards right now. I hope the journey is not going to be as stressful as it was yesterday. I hope it's going to be a smooth journey, and I hope to be back like 5 p.m. because we're checking out of this apartment. I don't want to go. Aqua's cottage. Aqua's cottage was so nice, and I don't want to leave. But hopefully our new hosts, hopefully they'll be, you know, as good as Aqua's cottage. But yes, we're heading to take the tro-tro to Oboadaka's waterfall. So let's go, guys. So guys, we're headed to the bus station. Going to La Paz bus station right now.
So nice.
Our water was just paid for by someone who wants to take us to the waterfall. God day. Is this how Ghana is? Maybe I should pack my bag and come and start living here, because what? Guys, we're walking down. It's hiking time. We're walking towards the waterfall. Walking down towards the waterfall. Let's see how long it will take to get to the foot of the water. Can you hear the sound of the water? We're there! I can see the waterfall. My love for waterfall is so much. Let me show you guys. The view of this place is so magnificent. I don't want to go home, but I have to. Oh my God, I wish I can come back again. You all know how much I love waterfalls. This is, woo! I love it. Breathtaking. That's the word, breathtaking. But I'm heading home now. Heading to my what's it called now? To my hotel, because we're checking out soon. Guys, let's get back to Accra. Guys, on our way back from the waterfall, we saw these people riding what's it called now, ATV bikes, And I've never ridden an ATV bike before. I've always wanted to go quad biking, and we wanted to hit our Banku Creek and go to the place where the ride is being done. But unfortunately, it's raining right now, so we're heading home. And this would have been like my first opportunity, my first time riding a quad bike. Anyway, there's always a next time. Oh my God, it's pouring down. There's always a next time, but we're heading to the bus station to enter the trotro. So I'll see you guys. I'm about to try their fan yugo ice cream. This cost 4 cedis. This coconut, 1 cedi. 1 cedi. Guys, I'm not a big fan of boiled corn, but I'm enjoying it. It's so soft and nice. I don't usually eat corn. I love roasted corn, but I'm enjoying this one. Give me coconut. Okay. Guys, this is crazy. Hey, God, I beg. This way my lodging. So guys, this is our new apartment. It's crazy. Can you guys see? Like, see my back? We're at a mall. An apartment in the mall. Like, it's so funny. We weren't expecting this. We saw that the name of the place was New Mall, but we never thought that it would be like a mall. But yes, it's a mall with stores and apartments. So I'm about to show you guys what the inside looks like in a bit. So this is our second apartment. Hey guys, let's see. So this is the living room. This is the living room right here, and we have a fridge. We have a washing machine. We have, some cupboards, gas cooker, a microwave. This is a dining for me and Rose. Then here, let's see what's here. Okay, this is a toilet. This is a toilet. So this is the bedroom. This is what the bedroom looks like. We also have a TV in the bedroom. That's my box right there. This is the bed. A mirror, cause mirror selfies, why not? Girls want to do that thing. Okay, then we'll have a wardrobe here. There is a wardrobe. What's here? Let's see. So this is the restroom. Okay, yeah, this is the shower area, and there's another door. What's in there? Okay. Oh, this is a balcony, veranda. Let me show you the view. This is the view from here. This is the view from here. Well, not bad. Not bad. This place costs, we're staying here for 2 nights because we're leaving on Saturday. This place costs $70 for 2 nights. $70 for 2 nights. What do you think? Is it worth it or not? I would say this experience was a bit of a strange experience because it was my first time living in
a mall, but it was also an exciting and a fun experience because when I got into the apartment, it was a total different ballgame entirely. But yes, it was worth it. For me, it was worth it. But I would like to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Do you think this apartment was worth the $38 spent? Let me know in the comments. Also, would you like to have an experience like I did living in a mall? I also want to know in the comment section. Well, if you watch this video to this point, you're the real MVP. Take your flowers. I love you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.